How to use Instacart membership. Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, let me go through the steps on how you can use your Instacart Plus membership. Well, first things first, open up Instacart. Now you want to get the Plus membership. If you haven't yet gotten one, you can head into your profile and here you should find various options. You can see try Instacart for free. If you don't have Instacart Plus, you can go through it and start the 30 days trial, and after that you'll be charged later on after a month, after your free trial has ended. However, how you can use it? Well, your membership benefits like $0 delivery fees apply automatically at checkout on qualifying order. So if you have Instacart Plus and you're trying to order some products, right, and if that particular order has the option of free delivery along with your membership benefit, then it'll automatically be applied and you'll get the free delivery. You can also track your order and chat with your shopper in real time, and you can receive your order as fast as 30 minutes with leave at my door as the default. So it is automatically applied to you basically. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.